Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're gonna to talk about tide calculation. Okay, in this video we have two types of tide. First one for standard port and another one for secondary port. So right now we're gonna to talk about standard port. For standard port we have 5 types of standard port. First, actual depths and actual height, and 3 passes or passing over shoal and passing under bridge, and finally we have grounded calculation. Okay, so right now in this lecture we're gonna to talk about tide for standard port. Okay, so we're gonna to talk about actual depths and actual height and passing over shoal, passing under bridge, and grounded. Okay, so we're gonna to start right now. You're gonna to find here something. Find the actual depths of Antwerp at 0230 on 7th January in 2007 if the charted depth is 18 meters. Okay, so right now we're gonna to calculate the actual depths. To start this example, first of all we have to know something so important. Actual depth is equal charted height we have to know the rule of actual depth. Actual depth is equal charted depth plus height of tide. So we want right now to calculate the height of tide at the given time 0230 in 7th January. Okay, so first we're gonna to find height of tide. To find height of tide we wanted to calculate it in 0230 in 7th January. So what we're gonna to do, we're gonna to go for this. You're gonna to find here we have this port Antwerp, and this port we have here the prediction of the tide in January and February and March and April for year 2007. Okay, so here we're gonna to find, first we want to find the height of tide at 7 January in 0230. So here we have January, and here we have 6, and here we have 7. So we want to calculate it in 0230. So you can notice here we have this between 6 of January and 7 of January. Okay, so what I'm gonna to do right now, I'm gonna to write this prediction in 2340, the height equal 1.0, and in 7 January 0542 the height is equal 5.5, and 1212 the height equal 0.5, and 1802 the height is equal 5.6. Okay, so first we're gonna to write this prediction. So this is gonna to be first step, and second step you can notice here we have the height 1, and after that 5.5. so that's meaning we have a low water and high water and low water and high water. Okay, so we're gonna to write the height here 1.0, and here 5.5, and here 0.5, and here 5.6. Okay, and also we're gonna to write the time. So the time here is 2340, and here is 0542, and here 1212, and here 1802.